Passed. Returning to page 7 of the calendar, Senate Bill 680, the senator from Russell County, Senator Puckett.
Thank you, Mr. President. I would move the bill pass, and I would speak to that.
Senator has the floor.
This is legislation that we have worked on for the last 2 or 3 weeks concerning Appalachian Power and the rates that we are experiencing in southwestern Virginia and southside Virginia in the Appalachian service area. This bill represents a compromise to the interim rates that are presently being charged. As you know, the utility companies have the right under law to implement the interim rates when they ask for a rate increase, and that's what Appalachian has done here. The interim rates went into effect on December the 12th. We've had 3 previous rate increases prior to that, and as we came to session, we saw a tremendous burden that was being put on our constituents and customers of Appalachian Power because of the huge bills. This gives us immediate relief. What this bill does is ask that rate that is being charged in the interim period be lifted, and Appalachian Power has agreed to do that. Some think that's not enough. I think it's a good first step. This is something that has, to my knowledge, never happened by a public utility to pull an interim rate. It will save our people considerable amounts of money. There is some disagreement over how much it might save, but I would say to you, whatever the issue is and what our people will save is certainly going to help them pay some of these bills. With that explanation, I would ask that the bill pass.
Thank you, Senator. Senator from Henry County, Senator Reynolds.